Ah, oh, that's hot. That's hot.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see from the title, today I will be doing a review slash demo basically on the NYX Bear With Me Hydrating Jelly Primer. Hold on, I'm trying to get this drawing open. Wait a minute.
One eternity later.
There we go, I got it open. Like I literally just got this, I would say like 20-30 minutes ago when I went to Ulta, but I've heard a lot of good things about this primer. I heard that it's very hydrating, which I definitely need because I personally have dry skin, and I also heard it's a really good dupe for the Milk Hydro Primer. I've seen a lot of people talking about the Milk Hydro Primer, especially a lot of these influencers, and their makeup be looking bomb. So I'm like, but I heard that this is a really good dupe for it, so I'm really excited. So basically this claims to be a hydrating jelly primer, and it's 8-hour wear. What's it say on the box? So it says extends the wear of makeup, blurs the appearance of pores, which I really need because my pores is probably like my most problematic part of me wearing makeup. And it says it's non-sticky, lightweight feel, and it says skin feels refreshed, blends seamlessly. Purpose of this video, I'm just going to be demoing this, and I'm basically just going to use the same exact makeup products I use on a regular basis, and I'm honestly curious to see how my makeup's going to look. And I actually am going to do a bit of a wear test. It's probably going to be, I would say like 4 maybe 5 hours. It's not going to be a super long wear test. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Now it definitely is like a jelly type primer, like as you guys can see from the consistency. It is really like jelly, like bounce. Ooh, I like the way that feels too. Like you can legit feel like the bounciness of it, so I really do like that. And I'm definitely trying to focus that more on like my T-zone, where I usually have the most pores that peek through, and also I'm patting it in. I do like how I really do like the way, like even if you guys are looking at me now, you can see that my skin is like instantly like more glowy, and it definitely does look more hydrated. So I definitely do feel like it is more sticky, which I heard is actually really good when it comes to a primer, because it allows it to stick to your makeup better and all that fun stuff. And I've never actually had a sticky primer like this, so I am really excited about that. So next I'm just going to be going into my L'Oreal Infallible foundation. I do use this foundation a lot. For a little bit, like when I first got a tan, I definitely thought that this was too light for me, but then I don't know if maybe like the lighting was just weird that day or what, but it still fits me pretty good. Like I feel like this is still a really good shade for me, especially once it oxidizes and once everything is blended in. It's a pretty good shade match, so I'm still using it. And then I'm just going to be using my Juno & Co microfiber velvet sponge. I have to say that slow every single time I say it, but it's fine. But I'm basically just gonna blend that foundation into my skin. So definitely so far so good. I do definitely notice that I have more of like an airbrush finish. I could definitely say it looks a lot more airbrushed and more put together, so I will say that. And I will also say like around my mouth, I think I maybe didn't put enough, like as much primer as I would have the rest of my face, just because I still can see a little bit of like pores peeking through like around in here, but that's fine. But like when it comes to like right in here, I really don't see anything. I would definitely say like this primer works even better than when I would use like the NYX Angel Veil primer and the Touch and Soul no pore bloom primer as well. Like this gives me an even better finish, and mind you, I literally just have my foundation on, so I can definitely say so far so good with that. But I really do feel as though this might just be my new favorite makeup product for a little bit, so we will see. But that's basically what it looks like, and the finish so far with just foundation on top of it. Using my Milani Concealer Protect Concealer. Now honestly guys, this is my favorite concealer next to the LA Girl Pro concealer. Now honestly, these are like my top two when it comes to concealers. It's just perfect. I'm just gonna be using the shade 150, and that is in the color Natural Sand. And I'm basically just gonna apply my concealer to all the places that I usually apply it to. I recently picked up this trick from Jackie Aina, I would say like a day or two ago. So basically, if you want your face to look more wide, do that with your concealer. Like basically like have a little half circle on your forehead and have a little half circle on your chin to kind of give that illusion that you have a wider face. And that's definitely a look that I'm looking for, just because I have a really small head and I have a very thick body. Like I'm thickums, okay? But I don't want my head to look like a pea head, especially if I decide to like wear my hair up or something. So I'm gonna try that out today and see if that works. So then I'm just basically just gonna fan my face and allow that concealer just to get a little bit more tacky and kind of turn into like a cream concealer in a way, because this is liquid, to basically give me more coverage. So next I'm just going to be using that same microfiber velvet sponge. There we go. And I'm just going to be blending my under eyes last, just because I'm a creature of habit and that tends to work the best for me when I do it that way. Y'all, even on top of with the concealer too, it just looks so good. Like it sucks because I feel like you guys can pretty much capture it on camera, but it looks so much better in person. Oh my gosh, y'all, it really does make a big difference depending on what products that you're using, because honestly this looks so good. I am gonna pop a little bit of that LA Girl Pro concealer on my under eyes just to brighten the look up just a little bit more. I swear this is just so pretty. Like, and mind you, I don't even have my eyes done yet. I was about to say my eyebrows, and my eyebrows are done, but I don't even have my eyes done yet. It just looks so... Oh, let me stop touching my face. I even said it yet. That's a bad habit. I need to stop doing that. Alright guys, so this is pretty much the finished makeup look. I didn't do any like crazy eyeshadow or nothing like that, just because I really wanted to focus on how my skin / makeup looks overall. So far so good. I really do like the finish. Like I said before, this honestly, like, I really do love this primer as of now. I definitely feel like it gives me a lot more of a airbrush finish compared to the other ones that I've been using, because I mean on camera I feel like my makeup definitely looks better on camera than when it does in real life, which is a little, I don't know, it's a good thing and a bad thing to me, but definitely like in person as well, like I don't see nearly as many little bumps or my pores poking out or nothing like that compared to the other primers that I have used. So far so good. I actually have to leave to be somewhere in like 5 minutes, so basically I'm going to be going to church, so I'm probably gonna get home around like 9. It is currently 6:16, so I will be wearing this makeup look, I would say, for about 3. I'm gonna stretch it out to 4 hours just to at least get some type of longevity of it, so just so you guys can kind of get like a somewhat of an idea, like especially like say you're just going out for the night or something like that and you're just doing your makeup, to see exactly how long it'll last. So yeah, I will see you guys in about 4. Maybe I'm gonna try to stretch it out to 5. We'll see. 4 to 5 hours, we will see. But yeah, so catch you guys in a little bit. All right guys, so if it sounds like I'm either high or drunk, I am not, I promise. It's just because I'm tired, and once again I wait until dumb late at night to be doing these type of things, but it's fine. You know, I said I was gonna do a wear test for you guys and I did. So it is officially 10:51, as you guys can see on my phone. Look at my cute little wallpaper picture drawn, whatever, you know. But anyway, so it is officially let me think, it was 6, so it's been almost 5 hours. I mean, the primer's technically been on my face for about 5 hours, you know, because that's the first thing I put on my face before I did the rest of my makeup. So it's been technically 5 hours, but basically, so let me just zoom you guys in really quickly. And as you guys can see, this is still what the finish is. I mean, granted, as you guys can see, it looks like I was wearing makeup for a couple of hours, but it doesn't look crazy at all. Like, I'm actually really surprised. So overall, I would highly recommend to get this particular primer. But yeah, so that's kind of like my little check-in, wear test type of thing. I feel like it definitely did pass. I mean, I keep staring at myself because it's just like, the finish is still really good. I do love how natural it looks. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Again, I'm tired, so if it seems like I'm a little off or I'm like rambling more than I usually do, that's why. So yeah, so that's pretty much it for the rest of the video. I hope you guys have a great day or evening or whatever time you happen to be watching this, and I will definitely catch you guys in my next one.